Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the comments. A comment is a programmer readable explanation in the source code of a program. They are added with the purpose of making the source code easier for the humans to understand and are generally ignored by the compilers and the interpreters. Now let's understand comments with the help of the example. For example, I have written a code and the length of the code is 2000 lines. And when you see that code and you want to find a function in that and you start scrolling that and you don't find the function there and you have to put a lot of effort to find that function. Now I can make that work more easier. I just write the comments. I just type the documentation that what this function is going to do, what that function is going to do, what this line is going to do. So when others can read that code, then he can read the comment. He easily know that what these lines are going to do in this program. There are three types of comments in Java: single line comment, multiple line comment, and documentation comment. So let's discuss about these comments in our NetBeans. So here first of all I am going to declare a variable. Here I type here int a. Now if I want to type a comment here, I just type a / and type here this is a integer variable. When I run this program, you will see nothing on the screen because the comments are not compiled by the compiler, they are ignored by the compiler. This is the single line comment. If you want to comment in multiple lines, then you can type this / static, then you start writing and writing and writing. And when you have closed that, you have to type the static, then the / here. So this is the multiple line comment. You can see here you start with this and end with this. This is the multiple line comment. And the third one is the documentation comment. Now for example, if I create a method here like void add, and in this function I'm going to type here system.out.print add, and if I want to do a documentation of this function, then I use the documentation command. I type this single / and then 2 times asterisk, then I press the enter, and then you can use the documentation command. I type here this is the add function, and this function is going to add the numbers. This is very helpful in addition, like that. This is the documentation style comments. You type the / then double asterisks, then before each line you type 1 asterisk. This is also the type of comment, and at the end you have to close it by using the asterisk and then the /. So I hope you understand about the comments. There are 3 types of comments: single line comment, multiple line comment, and the documentation comment. The single line comment starts with double / and then after double / everything is considered as the comment. And the multiple line comments, you can type the multiple lines, like you start with the / then put the asterisk, then you have to type your comments, then you have to close with the asterisk and the / again. This is the multiple line comment, and when you want to do documentation, you will use the documentation command. Like here I have typed the void add function. For example, I want to document this function. I type the / then double asterisks, then before each line I type the asterisk, and when I want to close this documentation I just type asterisk and then the /. So this is documentation style. These are the comments, and comments are very helpful for us when we want to create a big handy project that have 10,000 or maybe 20,000 of lines, and that is very difficult for the other programmer to read. So to solve that problem, most of the programmers use the comments to specify each block of code, that what that block is going to do. So I hope you understand about the comments. That's it for this video. If you feel any problem, then definitely you can ask me a question or you can message me. I will definitely help you. So I will see you in next video.